Hi guys, today we're gonna play the brainrot field.
What? This is not brainrot field.
Trippi troppi.
Tornado for brainrot.
Yes, I got a trippy troppy.
Trippy trop. How do you get them? I got them.
I think she's trying to steal it. Oh, I don't need to. I cannot steal it. And I can put it in the shop. Okay.
Trippi troppi.
Now I'm claiming this one.
Okay, I got a castle.
Pixelland. I can pick up the brainrot if I want. A boneca.
Boneca ambalabu.
Boneca. I can also rework boneca. Cause it just died.
It happens to you stand in the tornado.
Cause it just died. So I can rework.
I did
Why
that
did
in
you
the
so I
tornado.
I died.
What? In the
I was
Oh.
going to get a
Oh,
better
a ton
brainrot, but-
pencil holder. Orgatini
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
assassini.
Chimpanzini bananini.
I need to run back to the base.
Cacto hippopotamo.
Hey! No! I did
Oh, I got it. I got the bear.
I'm gonna steal this chimpanzee bananini.
Do not steal my chimpanzee.
La la la.
Oh, I
Steal
didn't
him,
see
bro.
today.
Hit him back. Come and hit him back.
Hit who
Pick
back?
up. Now I can get Big Cup and Orgatini. Hey! The tornado! It's the Orgatini.
Orangutini ananassini.
Orgatini.
What is here?
I got Okay, I put the Orgatini assassini.
How did TJ get in Orangutan?
I'm in slow mo gun. Oh my god, a better skin.
Yeah, I got a trippy troppy.
Oh, you got a trippy troppy? Are you kidding me? I don't have to upgrade this. Why can't I upgrade my bag?
I'm going.
I am not to upgrade my bag.
She did. How?
Oh, I need my money to buy this.
TJ needs more money to upgrade his brain.
I can upgrade my
I
brainrot.
upgrade my.
Oh! It's cost.
It's
cost.
Cola.
It's
I
cost.
can get even faster.
Incoming.
It's
I
Cola.
got even
Flutie Fluto
What?
or the Tim Cheese.
What?
On the Don. That was Grayson has it. Oh,
What's it?
on the Don.
Odin din din don.
Anyways. The
I'm
on
not.
the Don.
I'm fast. So I can.
Please. Oh, it's running out.
Whoa.
Fishing is it. Yes, I got it on the Don. Oh, I'm slow mode on. I need to upgrade my base. Free Sigma boy.
How did you get that? This is put a little to the nose.
Can trade
But I'm
this.
not gonna get it. I'm gonna get
Let
something.
me in VIP.
I'm gonna get a car load.
Unboxing.
That makes 50,000 a second.
Legendary and a
Got
miss it. That's a miss it. Wait, that's a miss it.
Oh man, I'm slow now.
Why are you slow?
I just lost my car wheel.
Abandoning the cappuccino.
Did it just die?
I didn't do anything.
Did it just die? Did it just die?
Oh, and the robot.
my god!
Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh, this is a gangster. Oh, this is a. I'm gonna steal it.
I'm gonna buy something from the shops.
I have to steal it.
I'm gonna buy something from the
I have to steal it.
I'm not gonna buy something from the shops. Whoa!
Come
I am
in.
a guy. We're gonna get this
Foodie
orphan
Fluda.
It's Gallic.
Oh, it's a peach kiwi. So like in 5 seconds. It's 5K seconds. It's 5,000 seconds. Listen, come.
Okay, the thing is coming.
It's an Okala.
You're gonna get so much money.
I'm gonna steal this Okala. I got a PP kiwi. I got the PP kiwi.
Still rare, no good. Now I have
Do
$1
not
million.
steal it.
I can
A galaxy. I need to steal this Okala. I cannot steal it. I need to steal this
So let's steal
Okala.
a coin.
This is spawner than I need.
Fast spinner. What the?
Oh, 10 P.
Oh.
I can get this.
What
Happen. It's 10 seconds.
Machine doing that.
What is that?
Machine doing.
This is the 90. I bought some grapes or do. Or spinny or bumblebee. Do.
Bombardee look close.
I can get this. Why you at the island
What's
lucky?
that person?
What's that how good
I
to?
didn't die.
What's your person?
Well, this-
Oh, a PP kiwi. That's PP kiwi.
I'm
That's
gonna
yours.
get another orchid.
Or do.
I'm faster than this
I'm faster than a tornado.
one.
I'm already almost faster than a tornado.
I'm faster
It's
than
fire!
I just got this better orchid.
Special brain.
2.7
I got an
billion.
orchid.
Come on. Yes! I got a do.
What is that? Do.
I got a do.
That is super bad.
Let me have a do.
Whoa!
I can upgrade it
I got a lucky block.
into a rebirth.
I got a lucky block. I got a lucky block.
Oh, I can upgrade it. Okay, now it's rebirth. I'm so slow right now. I am super slow right now. I need to get speed. I need to get until next time. We have multiplayers.
I am so fast.
We can
I'm at
rebirth.
1,000.
We can rebirth. Okay.
What's
I need 100,000. I need 100 speed. This is 1,000. Evil. That's just evil. No evil. Oh, I can rebirth. I have $100. I get to rebirth. Let's go ahead and get to rebirth. How am I get rebirth?
Whoa! I'm at the end where all the coins.
I can.
But I'm gonna get a.
I need
I'm
to
gonna
get
get a brainrot.
I can upgrade my brainrot when I upgrade it. Upgrade. I can upgrade. And yes, I got 100.
I wanna get something open.
Oh, I got tra-la-la-la-la. Oh, I can rebirth. I need to get speed.
A galactic phantasma. How did I get it?
I need to get speed.
I got a galactic.
Oh my god, I need my money to buy this.
I got a galactic phantasma.
Mega! In the sky. I know I gotcha. Gotcha. And get
You're
beat.
not that funny.
And summon a Frigo Camel. A Frigo Camel.
Dude.
Don't. Are you kidding me? Can I just die? Goodbye, Kenna.
Whoa, I see a hot
Oh,
I got a hot spot.
There's a hot spot at the end.
I got
my
a hot
goofy
spot.
is
I got a
insane.
hot spot.
How? Kinda got a hot spot.
I got a pot
I need to get a hot spot either.
I got a pot spot.
Oh, it's a galactic.
Squala nana.
Squall mama.
Banana. What brain rods are you using?
Squala
I
nana.
got it. Listen, you're gonna get killed.
You kidding me? I got a hot spot.
Another.
Hey!
No, I don't have a hot spot in my base, but I just
Let me go slow mo
I
down.
have 2.
two hot spots.
I got it.
What was
You're gonna get killed.
I got a lucky block.
I got McKenna.
I'm in lucky
What's
block.
Reaver?
Whoa, I got this.
I need Reaver. Come on, I need to go
What?
slow.
I can
There you go.
Reaper.
We can Reaver.
I
I'm
already
almost Reaver.
I don't
Okay.
want a Reaper. I can't.
Reaver,
Reset your
Kenna.
speed.
Reaver. Reaver.
Reaper.
Reaper.
Oh, I can upgrade my
Reaver.
base. I have the
Kenna, Reaver.
I have the second
I
floor.
have third Reaver.
I have the
I can Reaver.
I have the next floor.
Kenna, Reaver. You need to Reaver. Reaver.
Why? I don't want a Reaper.
It resets your speed, but it doesn't reset your money.
Reaver. Okay, now I can Reaver now.
Almost died.
So I have 6 Reaver.
Another lucky block.
I have a Simmer Reaver.
The secret lucky block.
I have to escape.
Whoa!
Oh, this is a galactic. I need to steal it.
Galactio Phantasma.
Oh, I'm gonna steal this galactic Phantasma.
How did
I
I
need
not
robots.
die?
I'm just.
I want to play escape.
Don't you leave.
Tic-tac, tic-tac.
I don't want to play escape.
Don't you
I got
leave.
tic-tac, tic-tac.
Bye. Bye bye.